Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you how to get file synced to your Firestick as well as the best codes which you can use inside that app. You can use those codes to jailbreak your Firestick and fully load it. In other words, you'll be able to get a lot of apps which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And trust me, you are going to like those amazing apps. So now without any further ado, let me show you how to get file synced and use the top class codes in here. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just gotta go to search on our device. Here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. And now, as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of Downloader because the app already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to settings. Let's do it right now. Here you gotta click on that button, the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. There we'll need to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on our device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. However, before you actually use Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. We got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to United States right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta open Downloader, there it is, open it. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, click on Home, and now here in that search bar, we need to enter a link, which is going to be FileSynced.com. That's the official website of FileSynced. So let's enter it. So once again, it's FileSynced.com. That's the link you need to enter. You can see the whole link on your screen right now, so make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make any mistake, the link is not going to work. Then you have to click on Go, and now in a couple of seconds a website is going to open. And while it loads, make sure to subscribe my channel for more content on Firesticks, and of course hit the like button if you find this video helpful. That truly helps us a lot. And now here, when the website opens, the first thing we see is a message to beware of copycat websites and that the only official website for FileSynced is FileSynced.com. So that's exactly the website that we have opened. We gotta click on OK right here. Then the message disappears and then we just scroll down a bit until we see that blue button which says download. So we click on download, and in a couple of moments the FileSynced application is going to be downloaded to our device. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then we click on install and wait until FileSync is installed. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't really need it anymore on our device. So click on done, then delete and delete. This way we are saving you some storage on your Firestick. And that's really important because you don't really have too much free space on your device anyway. Now finally let's go to the settings once again. There they are. Open them, go to My Fire TV, open developer options once again, go to install unknown apps, and turn that option for FileSync as well. It's a must because we'll be using this app to download other applications from the internet. Now finally, let's go to the list of applications on your device. There it is, open it. Once again, don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, just use the link below the video or go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months for free. Then scroll to the bottom, find the FileSync here, and now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote that has the button and 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and press on move to front. This way FileSynced is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore is going to be really easy for you to access the app every time needed. Then finally let's open the application, and here we'll be entering the code. So the first code is going to be 987683663. So once again 987683663. Then we click on next and click on the enter code button. And now a library has opened for us. That's one of my favorite libraries, and one of the reasons why is because they have all the apps separated by categories. So here are the Firestick tools, movies and TV shows, and of course live TV sports. So let's say we open Firestick tools. Here I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications that are available in the App Store, but in your case of course nothing is going to be blurry. And there you'll find all kinds of utility applications. Then let's say you go to movies and TV shows, and there will be tens of best applications which you can use on your Firestick or your Android TV to watch movies or TV shows totally for free. So there are lots of amazing applications. They are all updated and should work fine on your devices. And of course there you'll find the live TV sports apps, also quite a lot of them, and they are really decent. So definitely give them a try and check them out. So that was the first code of today. Now let's go to the second code, which is also really nice. The code is going to be 9876827 and 5. So once again 9876827. We click on next and click on enter code. This app store is also separated by categories. Once again, that's really nice because it makes it way easier to navigate. So there are categories for movies and TV shows, live sports, live TV, media players, useful tools, launchers, UK TV, anime, football apps, VPN, subscription services, torrent only, gaming, and pretty much that's it. So let's say we open UK TV, and here you'll find all the UK TV applications, all kinds of them. So you could watch your UK TV. Just keep in mind that if you are located outside of UK but want to use those apps, you'll need to connect to a VPN and connect to United Kingdom server, just so you know. Otherwise, some of those apps might not work for you. Of course, you can open the media players and take a look at them, and there's a lot of different IPTV or media players which you can use on your Firestick. Of course, with those apps, you need your own M3U link or extreme code for those apps to work. And since there are thousands of different live TV providers in the world, it's totally up to you which one to choose. Or you can just go to movies and TV show section and check out all the available movie applications. There are a lot of them, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. So that was the second code of today, and let's proceed to the third code. Now the third code of today is going to be 9876736, and then we click on next and click on enter code. Now in this library, the apps are not separated by category. So once you open the library, you see all the available applications. There are not too many of them, actually only like 5 or 6, but here you'll find the main movie applications as well as some live TV apps. And pretty much that's it about the third code. Now let me show you the last code of today. It's going to be 88888888. So just enter the number 8 times and we are good to go. Click on enter code. Just like the previous one, this app is not separated by categories, but it has a lot of different TV applications, movie applications, UK TV apps, sports applications, utility apps, and stuff like that. So this library is definitely not as good as the previous two codes that I showed you in the video, but still it's pretty decent. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like button and see you next time. Bye bye.